what is equitable distribution? Equitable distribution is just another name for property division in North Carolina. And what it is we try to divide property equitably, which normally ends up being 50-50. There are three types of property that are considered in equitable distribution cases. So there's first separate property, and that's anything you came into the marriage with. So that's if you had a house before the marriage, or you had a large sum of money that you had before you went into that marriage, that would all be separate property. There's marital property, and that's anything that you obtained during the marriage. So the only thing that is not included in marital property would be if you inherited money during the marriage, if you received a gift from a third party specifically to you during the marriage, that would be considered separate property. Everything else is going to be marital property. And the courts will look at that marital property and see what would be an equitable way to divide that property. Once again, it's normally 50-50. So for example, if you bought a house during your marriage and until the day you were separated, you guys have both owned that house, then that house will most likely be split 50-50. Any equity you have in the house will be split 50-50 because it's marital property.